All right, buddy.
Watch out, buddy. Bail out.
And he still has the ball.
I know I want the ball!
All right.
All right.
Nice work, dude. Good step, buddy.
Nice dismount, dude.
I know. I'll be like midway going.
All right. Portrait of a true ex-gamer. He's Kid Dynamite.
That's momentum, man.
Nate, you want to go again? Oh, I couldn't figure out. There's shoes up there on his hands. Boy, there's a lot of trust in this slide to go back and take that. Stay in it. Oh my
Oh.
God.
Yeah, there we go.
Oh, he's toast.
Yeah.
I like the old cannonball.
Yeah.
What is this way to practice? What do they use it for?
Quarter inch. I don't know what they would use it for.
The water turned off. The water was turned off. Almost.
No, it's still on. All right. Just for the record, no, I don't know who that other boy is. That's okay. Some might say that our father and son campout is crowded relative to the amount of area available. That would probably be pretty accurate. Gets a little less crowded this way. Up there we've got where people are, that's where we were eating, right up there. Here we can see somebody we know. Anyway. So, oh, we already got a good shot of my drying swim trunks. Okay, there's Luke in my sweater. Why is he in my sweater? Because in the night, this being our tent right here, Luke and Dad parked us right by this sprinkler here. It went off. It was fun. But what was more fun was that right over there, Vic and Ethan slept under the stars. Sprinklers really got them. Here we are the next morning. It's still cool. Sun's not over the hill yet. So they're using the slide without water. Go, go, go! Or I'll push you down myself. You can find the monkey face. Monkey face, where are you? Oh, there it is.
What monkey face? What monkey face? What monkey face?
That guy over there that got really wet in the night.
You're a little monkey face, monkey face, monkey face. Hey, let's get over the wall.
It sure is, buddy. Okay, now, see where the shadow is? There's the edge of the shadow right there. It's about, I don't know, 8:30 in the morning. They're on the water slide. And it's not real warm. Okay, let's see if this kid, see how far he goes. See, look at that. Oh, that looks warm. Yeah, it's, see, some kids still have sweaters on. They're the smart ones. Oh, oh man, it's gold. Although there's so little light out here, I can actually see what's going on my camera through the viewfinder.